This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday, August 16th, 2024. So key points to go over is we're expecting mostly dry conditions across the region today. There's an outside chance of an isolated thunderstorm still mainly across Lemhi County today. Monsoonal storms will return to the area late Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. And we're looking at for breezy conditions developing across southern Idaho Saturday, and then continuing into Sunday as well across much of the region. So looking at our satellite image this morning, you see just a few clouds left over from our storm yesterday, drifted through the region through the overnight hours. Still, once again, a little bit of moisture, possibly enough lingering around for some isolated storms across the Lemhi County region. Weather risk outlook, mainly looking at potential for red flag warnings for scattered thunderstorms possible across portions of the South Hills and the South and Eastern Highlands, and possibly even into Lemhi County Sunday and Monday. Here's looking at our severe weather outlook for Friday. Once again, general thunderstorms are possible really from a line really north of Chalice and Island Park up in the Lemhi region today. And once again, high temperatures today about where they have been, mid to upper 80s across much of the region. Humidity values just a touch lower, but still above critical thresholds, generally in the 20% humidity criteria. And our winds not expected to meet critical levels today. Wind gusts expected to be generally in the 15 to 20 miles per hour range. Looking at our severe weather outlook for Saturday, you see the onset of the monsoonal thunderstorms starting to work into extreme southeast Idaho by the end of the day on Saturday, and then expanding northward Saturday night. Saturday high temperatures a little bit warmer, starting to see our highs starting to get close to 90, even some mid 90s to around 100 out across portions of Magic Valley on Saturday. Humidity values do decrease quite a bit. With that warmer air, you start seeing some near critical level humidities down in 15% below across portions of Magic Valley into the Central Mountains. Meanwhile, we're starting to feel the onset of that moisture working in from the south and across much of southeastern Idaho, with our humidity values holding in the 20s. Wind gusts aren't exactly lining up with the humidity values, though, and you see our max wind gusts generally where the stronger gusts are mainly across the South Hills, and that's where we have the higher humidity. Where we have the drier air, the winds are breezy but not really reaching critical levels. So for that reason, we don't think we're going to hit red flag criteria for winds in RH on Saturday, at least not in our area. But there are some portions out west where we could achieve that right combination, just not in the Pocatello forecast area. Looking at a severe weather outlook for Sunday, you see thunderstorms become a little bit more widespread. Scattered thunderstorms on Sunday. High temperatures right about where we have seen them, maybe just a touch cooler, upper 80s to around 90 across much of the area. Humidity values with the higher the strong chance of thunderstorms across the area. Humidity levels are a little bit higher as well. And then wind gusts still a little bit on the breezy side going into Sunday, but generally around 15 to 20, maybe some 25 mile per hour gusts around Sunday. So just to conclude, mostly dry conditions across most of the area today. An isolated storm is possible up around Lemhi County. Monsoonal storms return late Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and breezy conditions are possible across much of South Idaho Saturday, expanding across much of the region into Sunday. And that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.